Hey, welcome back guys in Tech IVP channel. So guys, today's interview question is iterator versus list iterator and fail safe versus fail fast. So these are very important question. Most of the time interviewer asks this question. So let's start. But guys, before going to the next step, please like, share and subscribe to get more update on the interview questions for the SDET role. Okay. So firstly we have to going with the iterator versus list iterator. Firstly we have to understand how many types of cursor in Java. So in Java we have total 3 types of cursor: iterator, list iterator and enumeration. Iterator is a public interface, while list iterator and iterator is also implemented in the list iterator. Enumeration I will discuss in the next tutorial. So the key difference for this one, iterator and list iterator. The first difference, in the iterator, here elements can retrieve in only forward direction. Only in the forward direction. The reason behind this one is, first, it has next, and remove method only. Only it have 3 types of method, which is going to a forward direction, while list iterator can retrieve element in the both direction, backward and forward. The reason behind of this one, because list iterator have 6 type of methods for has next, has previous, next, previous, remove and set. Means you have to do backward and forward. If you want to go forward, then you have to use has next. If you want to go backward direction, then you have to use previous. Okay. Second main difference, iterator can be used within any collection. In any of the collection you can use iterator, but list iterator can be used only in the list type. Okay, is like that array list, linked list, vector and stack. Okay, so guys, these are the basic difference for the iterator versus list iterator. Okay, the next one is fail safe and fail fast iterations. So fail fast iteration throws a concurrent modification exception. Okay, if the collection is structurally modified after iterator is created. In upcoming I will show you in this video. Let's start do the practical, but firstly we have to discuss the definition. Okay, so according to the definition, it says that once you have to be done any modification after the iteration is created, then you get the error. Okay, in the fail fast iterator. But fail safe iterator do not throw any exception. When collection is modified during the iterator, they operate on a copy of the collection, ensuring the original remain unaffected. Okay, and here is the basic difference about this one. The first behavior difference, through concurrent modification exception does not exception. Fail safe have no exception, while fail fast has the exception. Okay, and second one, implementation directly access to the collection, works on the clone and snapshot. I will show you. Okay, the third one, thread safety. In fail fast there is no thread safety, but fail safe is a thread safe. Means these collections are thread safe. Okay, not a collection say that. Is there an exception? What exactly we are getting at the execution. Okay, after that, uses where we have to be used, and what kind of we can use, how in which type of the list we can use. We can use array list, hash set and hash map, while concurrent hash map copy of the right array list. And performance, no additional memory overhead, higher memory uses due to copying. So this one takes high memory. Okay, so this one is just see below. I have just sharing you a basic difference. So once see here, we have to be use array list and the string type array list, and then I have to be added some content here. Okay, some strings here. After that I have to use a while iterator and then telling it has next. Okay, and once I have to be run this one, and it will be print like this one. Once you have to be execute here system.out.println ar, then you get this one, you get remote job 123 junk. Okay, and if after the iterator starts, okay, you have done any modification after the iteration created, you have done any modification, then you get the exception modification what you have done, ar dot remove junk. So after creation of the iteration, we have added or removed some content. Okay, let's see how we can do this one. So firstly, let me so first let's what we can do. First we will take array list. Firstly we have to take array list. Okay, and after the array list, let me type here string. Okay, and ar equals to new array list, and let me close this one. Okay, now let me add, name is ar dot add. Let me copy 2 or 3 times, then directly I have to be just copy one more. Yeah, 4 things we have added. The first thing is you get remote job. You get remote job. Okay, so let's print directly without using the iterator. How it will be do sysout. Sysout means system.out.println. Let me print this one. Let's see what output we are getting. Yeah, we are getting in the form of array, we are getting this output. Okay, now using the iterator, firstly we have to cover concept of the iterator, then we have to move on the fail safe and fail fast. Okay, so here I'm using iterator string itr equals to what I have to use here ar, because we have list type this one, ar dot iterator. Okay, and now what we have to do, we will do while loop, while iterator, while iterator itr now let me just, it's a small iterator has, so these types of method, basically iterator have 3 types of method, has next. Okay, and let me this one, has next, next and remove. Okay, so I'm using here has next. Okay, and let me start curly brace. After that we have to be print out our statement, but before print out, what we can do, we have to do iterate it. So how I can do, string input equals to itr dot next. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to be simply print out sys out. Okay, sys out, and in this what we have to be do print input. Okay, let me do input. Okay, so let me run this one. So guys, now we are getting the output is, once we have to simply print our array list, then we are getting this one. Okay, and once we have to use iterator, then it will be one by one. And guys, here one more important thing, in the iterator it will be always pointed to here in the center of two words. Okay, because we are using next has next. Okay, now come on the fail safe and the fail fast. So fail safe, so firstly come with the, now let me add here ar dot add 100%. Okay, I have just done some modification. Okay, I have just done here some modification. Yeah, so now I'm getting concurrent modification exception. Okay, after the u, once it will be iterated and after the u it will be modified, then you get this error. Okay, this exception. How we can resolve this one? So for this one, what we have to do, we have to be use copy on right array list. Okay, and here we have to be provide string and the reference name ar equals to new copy on array list. Okay, and close this. Okay, now let's see what exactly output I'm getting. Now it's running successful. So this one is the basic difference, guys, in the iterator and the list iterator and fail safe and fail fast. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.